The problem that we face is we want to resolve all of these at the lowest possible way. And that is to make sure that we ensure the life safety of those victims primarily, and then the life safety of the suspect. We can always replace property, but we can't replace lives. At 2 o'clock in the morning when they called me out of the deep sleep, it was a very big relief that we had the suspect in custody and that the 2 hostages were safe and sound. That's a real good feeling. You know, your question about this being law enforcement, this wasn't just law enforcement, all right? There were all kinds of our community that came together for this. There were businesses that donated equipment to us. There were businesses that were feeding us during all of this. You had hotels working with the city to try to house people. You had the county coming together. And once we realized we were going to be evacuating more than one building, those additional resources coming into play very, very quickly to support these folks that are displaced was outstanding. There's all kinds of things that came into play because once again, West Texas is a community that comes together to help each other. That is one of those things that we are known for beyond the energy, the oil, and anything else, the dust, anything else, is that when something's going wrong, people come together to help.